Your credit card statement shows a charge you did not authorize for a bottle of pills that has not even arrived yet. This is the frustrating reality for a lot of people looking into a heart supplement called Corvael Nattokinase. It is marketed as a massive win for your cardiovascular system. The company claims it can help with everything from blood pressure to your daily energy levels. It even suggests it can help your body route calcium to your bones instead of letting it build up in your arteries. That sounds like a perfect solution for anyone worried about their heart health. The formula includes some well-known ingredients in the wellness community. It features a specific enzyme derived from fermented soy. It adds berberine, which is a plant compound often used for blood sugar support. You also get aged garlic extract and magnesium. It even includes vitamins designed to help with bone density. These are ingredients that have plenty of research behind them when they are studied on their own. However, the product itself is where the concerns start to grow. If you look past the official website, you will find a lot of unhappy voices. Many customers talk about massive shipping delays that last for weeks on end. They check their tracking info and find nothing but dead links. Some people were shocked to find their packages were actually being shipped from China. This happened even though they expected a product made in the United States. This lack of clear information is a major red flag for many buyers. Then you have the huge problem with the refund policy. The marketing promises a money-back guarantee. It lasts 90 or even 120 days. It looks like a risk-free trial. But when people actually try to get their money back, the experience is often very different. They report sending email after email to customer support with no response. Some are told they have to pay for international shipping to return the empty bottles. That can sometimes cost more than the supplement was worth in the first place. There are also many reports of people getting stuck in unwanted monthly subscriptions. They thought they were making a one-time purchase, but the charges just keep appearing on their bank statements. Some users even mention getting security alerts from their computers when trying to access the company website. That is a sign that should make anyone stop in their tracks. To be fair, some people do have a positive experience. There are reviews from folks who say they feel more energetic and focused. A few even claim it helped with nerve pain in their legs. These personal wins are great, but they do not erase the mountain of complaints about the business itself. You have to ask yourself if the potential benefits are worth the risk of a customer service nightmare. The ingredients might be fine, but the way the product is sold leaves a lot to be desired. If you are still curious about it, you must do your own research. Read every word of the terms and conditions before you buy. Do not let a flashy advertisement rush you into a bad deal. Most importantly, you need to talk to a doctor first. This is absolutely vital if you are already taking any blood-thinning medications. You want to support your health, not create a brand new set of problems.